Hi, this song is called Restoration. It's a very, very personal song to me. I'm not real sure how I arrive necessarily at the songs that I write. Usually it's something like hearing a phrase or a term in a sermon that somehow clicks in here. And I know there's a song in that. And so I set out to write that song. Plenty of misfires. I guess several songs I've started, not finished. I'm not sure what the difference is between the ones that click and then I don't finish them, and the ones that click and I do finish them. I don't know. But this one is extremely personal to me. Because actually right here in my basement, that couch, I had completely disappointed my Heavenly Father, done something I just shouldn't have done. And it drove me to my knees, like I say, right here in my basement. And I'm not kidding. When I was done praying, knowing that the Father had forgiven me, I stood up singing this song. It came to me in that manner. Of course, not the whole song, not all at once. I did have to do some work, and then the recording of it. But it's a very, very personal song to me. And like always, I really hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Myself on my knees again, wondering how did I get here again? Your grace is sufficient, Lord. Oh Lord, you're so patient. I made such a mess, you made me whole again. Restoration is mine. I have been restored. I have been restored. Restoration is mine. I have been restored. I've been restored. Myself back on my feet again, and I know full well just how I got here again. There was nothing I could do, Lord, but give it all to you. You were so faithful, you forgave me. Restoration is mine. I have been restored. I have been restored. Restoration is mine. I have been restored. I've been restored. And I'm so grateful, Lord, during those times, and there are times when I let you down, break your heart, which breaks mine. Oh, anyone else would just cast me aside, but not you. No, not you. Restoration is mine. I have been restored. I have been restored. Restoration is mine. I have been restored. I've been restored. Restoration is mine. I have been restored. I have been restored. Restoration restoration, restoration.